Now let's take a look at the auto profanity filter. So in here, in the sequence, I've got this very old tutorial of mine from a couple of years ago, I think. Time flies. What happens here is I say a very bad word to emphasize a point. Now, to keep this clean, I'm not going to play the original cut. I'm just going to go ahead and do the magic. So what we'll do is we'll go up here and we'll go to Auto Profanity Filter. And we can define our sections by choosing the entire timeline or the in and out points. I'll go ahead and choose the entire timeline. We'll click Validate Sections. The next thing we'll do is we'll select our language. In this case, it's English, and I'll leave it as is. We'll go to the next step. It will begin to upload the file and render the timeline. And now we can customize our settings. So we can select the bleep sound effect that we want to use. And if we click here, we can choose between mute, bleep 1, bleep 2. Mute simply silences the curse. Bleep 1 kind of has that typical profanity sound that you hear in most videos whenever somebody uses profane language. And bleep 2 is more of a droning kind of bleep. In this case, I'll just leave it at mute. Now let's go to remove profanities. The auto profanity does its thing. Now we can go into the timeline, play it out, and see how it sounds.
I mean, guys, this is crazy.
Job done. No more profane language, as you can clearly tell.